guys, I'm Megan with WTI, and check out this water bottle by Bounce. We purchased the Monaco blue color, and I just love the intensity and the richness of the color. I also love the texture. It actually helps you grip the water bottle easier so it doesn't slip out of your hands. That being said, it is really tough. My son has dropped this water bottle a couple of times, but so far no dents have been put into the water bottle. So we're really happy with that. He brings this water bottle to school, so I love that there's a clip on the lid of it so that it clips right into the backpack really easily, stays secure that way. And he loves that too, so there's more room in his backpack for his books instead of the water bottle taking up space. Bonus feature, the mouth is wide enough to fit ice cubes. I love the spout on this water bottle. It's a nice wide spout that just screws right off. Overall, we've been super happy with the features on this water bottle, and that's our point of view.